Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be sharing with you how to make papaya natural whitening face and body cream for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone using natural whitening and glowing ingredients. So I'm just going to list out the ingredients I will be needing for this cream. I will be using a slice of papaya as one of the active whitening ingredients because papaya is a natural skin lightening agent, and the enzyme papain in papaya makes the face tone lighter and more supple. And also I will be using Silka Papaya Whitening Soap, which is a gentle and moisturizing lightening bar soap. And I'm also using almond oil, which is good for restoring natural complexion and removing all signs of skin darkening. I'm also making use of zinc oxide, one of the safest ingredients that gives your skin the protection it needs from harmful UV rays. Next, I'm also using kojic acid, which is a good skin lightening agent, good to lighten visible sun damage, itch spots, and scars. And also salicylic acid, which reduces sebum secretion, inflammation, and redness, and improves the skin health and appearance. Also, I will be needing vitamin E as well, which makes your skin glowy and look young. And also I will be making use of lavender essential oil, which also soothes eczema and dry skin. Also reduces inflammation, lessens redness and irritation on the skin. So I'm just going to start by blending the papaya and then strain to extract a smooth papaya puree. Now that I have my papaya puree ready, I'm just going to keep it aside and then grate the Silka Papaya Whitening Soap and use a double boiler to melt it. This soap is so moisturizing and nourishing because it contains great moisturizing and nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and provitamin B5, which help to soften the skin and protect the skin as well. While the soap is melting, I'm just going to add almond oil into a beaker and then add the active whitening powders into it, that is zinc oxide, kojic acid, and salicylic acid into it, and double boil in order to dissolve the active whitening powders. Here is the melted Silka Papaya Whitening Soap. I'm just going to keep it aside, and also here is the dissolved solution of the whitening powders. So I'm just going to add and mix everything together. That is why I'm changing the beaker into a bigger one, so that I can easily stir and blend the mixture well. So I'm just going to add the Silka Papaya Whitening Soap and also the papaya puree into the dissolved solution. And at this stage, you can go ahead and add a preservative and also the essential oil. As for the essential oil, it is optional. If you don't want to add it, then that's fine. If you just want your cream to be natural with no scent, then that is fine. You can skip that aside, as well as the preservative. If you know you're just going to use your product for like a week or two, then it is optional if you want to add a preservative or not. But if you're going to use your product for more than 2 weeks, then it is a must for you to add a preservative, or else mold is just going to grow in your product and you just end up throwing it away. So it is good to always add a preservative into your homemade products. So now I'm just going to put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes and then take it out and blend it until I have that soft, creamy and smooth consistency.